All right, so this is the Elantra N. It's basically the engine from a Veloster N, but in Elantra form. Kind of irritating that the Veloster doesn't exist anymore, but here we are. I love this color.
It's a great blue.
It's a great blue, but it actually comes in the Hyundai N blue, like this kind of light blue. So that's probably what I would order. Great seats. Love that the logo lights up here like on a BMW M car. You gotta love that. This one is the dual clutch one, which is obviously not what I would order. I would obviously prefer the manual. This is a really logical interior. You know, again, we're focusing a lot on interiors this time around, and everything is laid out really logically. There's buttons for everything. There's knobs for everything. It's just, it's fantastic. Dedicated climate controls right here as well.
I like that it's all angled toward the driver too. That is a trend that I really like.
It is, and it has dual screens here, but this is the cleanest actually dual screen integration I've seen in a lot of cars. I don't know, it just all makes sense. I like it. I don't like how cheap this handbrake is. I think this is terrible. It's not leather lined, which makes no sense to me. I like the ambient lighting here. I like the what was it called, Andrew? The N grin shift is what NGS stands for. This gives you a temporary overboost in the turbo, which is insane. This locks to your driver profiles.
Love it.
But man, it's just such a fun vehicle. We'll probably have to test one of these. This is gonna be interesting to see. I've heard nothing but good things about how these drive. Yeah, there you go. That's a classic Hyundai build quality right there.
Yeah, this is. There's a big creak right here too.
Yes, there is. That's right, German boy.